I'm Lacey with Living with Lacey. Welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see, it is holiday time. I know it's not Thanksgiving yet, but I put up so many trees and so many decorations in my house that I have to start early. So the first thing that I love to start out with is to put together a hot beverage bar. I call it my hot chocolate bar or my hot cocoa bar, but I do offer coffee and tea along with apple cider when people come over. And so this is great if it's just you and your husband and you want to have some friends over. It's also great if you have small children. Whenever I have little kids come over here, they love fixing them some hot chocolate from my hot chocolate bar. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are just a few items that I have taken out of my cabinets and the pantry that I'm going to use for the hot chocolate bar. I'm just going to let you know right now, I probably will not use all of this. But what I like to do is just kind of take out an assortment of things and then, you know, just kind of figure out what the feeling that I want as I go. So I have some things. This is a Noel sign, and I picked this up. I have not bought anything new this year. I am going to go out to Target tomorrow, so I'll show y'all that to get a couple of more things. This is a Noel sign from Target, an old deer sign. Once again, Target, $3. Just a little tray. Oh man, so got these cups for our last name, my first name, my husband's first name. We got these from Things Remembered. They were having a big sale, and so we got them for like $2.50. That's amazing. This is my Radon coffee mug. This right here I got from Target last year. I like to hang on my coffee bar. Christmas blend, hot cocoa served here. I always like to keep a couple of these little tags because sometimes I'll just go ahead and label, you know, marshmallows or cocoa. This is another sign of Merry Christmas. Target dollar spot. Is that Target? Maker's Holiday. No, that looks like it came from either Joann's or Michael's. I got that last year also. Oh, a friend of mine gave me this banner. Cocoa bar banner. Let's see. Has a picture somewhere on here. I might use that. Might not. This is a cocoa bar sign. You can never have too many signs. I got this for 50% off last year at Hobby Lobby. A little deer. I got this from Target Dollar Spot. It's just a table runner that I'll lay on the coffee bar, add a little color. This little sign that says hot cocoa bar. Okay, so y'all know I'm not using all these signs that say hot cocoa bar, but you never know. This is a nice little 2-tier tray, and the reason I did 2 instead of 3 is because the height between the bottom of the coffee bar and the first shelf. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough room. These right here came from Pottery Barn. Sprinkle honey sugar. Not sure if they still have them. I got this tray from Wayfair. I think for about, I think it was like $28. This is just another sign. I think I got that from the Target Dollar Spot. This right here is just directions, hot cocoa, to tell people how to make it. It's just a little stand. Let's see. That might be from Michael's as well. Okay, this right here, this, I'm definitely using this. I'm going to go buy a frame for it. This is absolutely amazing. My daughter's husband's mother, so my daughter's mother-in-law, made this for me last year for my hot cocoa bar. It is incredible, so I'm gonna purchase a frame for it. So, and then I'll have a little tree. I think I got this from the Target Dollar Spot last year. If you have not hit up Target Dollar Spot yet, go. So I have not. I mean, and as you can see, I probably don't need to, but I'm going to. Something I love to use for my hot cocoa bar is mason jars. Mason jars. And so I'm going to go buy the Dollar Tree tomorrow. maybe tonight, and pick up ribbon. I like to either put peppermint where it's the red and white ribbon, or just get some red ribbon and tie it around here to make it look a little festive. And then I have some sprinkles because sometimes I have some little kids come over. My kids are grown, they like it too, but once you put the whipped cream on, they like to have sprinkles, so I supply that. Also, this is sugar and cinnamon, and I think I got this from Walmart. Came with 2. So sugar and cinnamon. And then I have a cookie jar, which I'll write on. I'll change this out, take that off, and put red ribbon, just some festive ribbon. And then I have some Nestle cocoa that I will put in a pretty glass jar, which is cleaning in the dishwasher right now. And then this is also just some packages of hot chocolate. So this is basically everything that I am planning on using for my hot cocoa bar. Like I said, go to Target, Dollar Spot. Also check out Joann's and Michael's. It does not take a lot. And I'm telling you right now, I guarantee you, you probably have everything you need in your cabinets, in your pantry. So start opening up those cabinets that you haven't looked into, you know, like the bottom of your buffet cabinet, and start pulling out some things. You can use everyday items to make this hot cocoa bar. So let me show you my actual bar. I am going to tell y'all to kind of excuse my house because I am cleaning. So this is a hutch that my father-in-law built for me probably about maybe 15 years ago. And so I'm going to take this hutch and just transform it into a hot cocoa or holiday cocoa bar. And I'm telling you, people absolutely love it when they come over here. And so I've just got 2 kind of like buffet lamps. I've been having those for a while. And I might leave the plates on here. I don't know. I change it up every single year. And I have my Keurig, and I also have this Verismo. It's like a Starbucks brand coffee maker. And then this is an espresso that does espresso. Let me just say that. So this is the coffee bar. And I'm going to go ahead and start taking everything off of it and just give it a deep cleaning. And then I'll be back to show you how we put this together. So today I had the opportunity, before I started on my coffee bar, to run to my favorite store, as you can see, Target. And you know I went to Target, Dollar Spot. So I wanted to kind of share with you everything I got. Let me see what I have here. Alright. Oh, I got 2 of these gold mugs. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute. Fancy smancy. Look at the price though. $3. Yes, honey. These are so cute, and I love that they're white on the inside. Next cup I got was Made with Love, Mrs. Claus Cookie Company, baked fresh and served nightly. Absolutely adorable. $3. This coffee cup is so cute. Look at that, so adorable. This has nothing to do with my coffee bar. I'm gonna show y'all anyway. I had to get it. So Hearth and Home at Magnolia had their prices have just went down, because I'm gonna be honest with you, at first I thought it was a little pricey for some of their things, but this is a sugar seller, $5.99. So here's the sugar one. Isn't that cute? And then here is the salt, and I have been wanting one of these for so long. A salt cellar for $5.99, and then here's the pepper, $5.99. I thought that was excellent price, so I had to get these. All right, the next thing I picked up was, okay, so this was not in the Target Dollar Spot, and let me tell you why I got these. So in the Target Dollar Spot, they had their cup towels for 2 of them. I think they were $3. So, and they were cute too. But I saw these, and they had 25% off. So I went ahead and got these. I think it was like $4 and something. So this says hot cocoa on it. Why? We're putting together a cocoa bar. Hello. And with all the ingredients. And then on the other side, please stop. And on the other side, we have the red with stars. Thought that was cute. And then the other one I got was, or is, so it's just a plain red cup towel. And then they had this plaid. And so this is by Threshold. Let me see the price. Y'all see that? Nope. I don't see the price either. Anyway, the normal price was $5.99 if you need to know. Let me show y'all my little friend real quick. Hey, stop. Say hello. This is Gizmo, and he wants to be on the video. Okay, that's enough. All right, and then the next thing I picked up was these little berries, little jingle bells, these little wreaths. I think these are so cute. I'm going to hot glue them. This has nothing to do with my coffee bar, but I'm going to hot glue them to the little houses, the ceramic houses that I bought last year. They're white, and I'm going to hot glue those wreaths. I will post a video of that when it's done. And then I got these, my cousin says the correct name for them. These bottle brush trees. So cute. I got